Beep beep everybody. 2021 Topps Gallery is the topic of our video today. And we've got 3 blaster boxes of this. I bought these during the off season when I started getting back into the hobby in the fall of 2021 after almost all the new stuff had been gone, and I didn't really I was basically picking over from leftovers that the distributor was bringing into Walmart every week or Target every week, and I picked up 3 of these, probably at 3 different times, maybe from 2 or 3 different places. So these have 4 exclusive printer-proof parallels per box. There's 7 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Can't read it with the plastic in the way. 4 cards per pack, 28 total cards. Look for rookie autograph cards. All new limited parallels. So let's pull these over to the side. Before we get started, let's see, the word of the day is paragraph. And I offer this sentence for that word. I think it's cute when you rattle off a paragraph and end it with a fart. So you are welcome to come up with your own sentence for the word paragraph, and you may put it in the comments. And if it has something to do with farts like mine, I'm sure I'll get a big giggle out of it. So be creative. And I know there's probably a segment of the population that is frowning that I use the word fart in a sentence. But it is part of the English lexicon to describe a bodily function. Okay, boop, boop, boop. That's good luck from Nathan, our gnome. And before we begin, let's have some luck with our plastic purple toilet flying across the screen. Well, more like hovering. And we'll dig into it. So if you've gotten past that point where I have a sentence for a word like paragraph and somehow managed to... I got junk all around me I'm throwing this stuff on, and I use the word fart in it, and there's a purple toilet going across the screen, and I'm booping a gnome's nose. I'm just letting you know right off the bat that this is not your average pack ripping channel. I've got a weird sense of humor, and I like to incorporate it into most things I do. And since I can get away with it here, I'll be doing it whenever I can. So these are pretty cool looking. That's a nice looking border there. This is Arenola. And with a name like Gallery, I'm imagining this is probably pretty neat stuff. That's what the backs of them look like. So that's pretty cool. And this one seems to be a silver foil parallel. Casey Mize. This is not numbered. Modern Artist, and that is Mike Trout. And that's an insert set. It says the art is by Josh Trout. I presume that's he's related to Mike. I don't really know. It doesn't say on the back. But that's pretty cool if that's like a brother, father, cousin, son, something like that. Looks really nice. And Babe Ruth. So far, not too bad. Oh my goodness. We have to, every video I struggle with at the very least one pack, and more likely about half of them. So there's Daniel Lynch, and that has a rookie card logo down there in the lower corner. It's not the usual colors we're accustomed to. Yadier Molina, and that says printer proof in the lower corner there. It is not numbered. Justin Verlander and Hall of Famer George Brett. So far, I like this. I don't like that the packs I'm having problems opening, but I like what I'm finding inside. Paul Goldschmidt. And Davy Garcia rookie card. And here's another one at the almost every top set I come across one card where a pitcher is showing you how he holds the baseball. I really should probably start a sub collection of those cards. Ryan Sandberg printer's proof. And again, that is not numbered. You think with a title like printer proof, you would have that numbered, but not in this case. Ryan McMahon, who looks over enthused with where he's throwing that ball. Steven Strasburg. Jared Kelenic rookie card. And we got another silver foil card of Pavin Smith, and that is also a rookie. I apologize for the glare. And you can see the rainbow stuff going on with it. There's Hall of Famer Ryan Sandberg having a good laugh. Gavin Lux. And another printer proof of Ryan Weathers. And there's Joey Votto. And Hall of Famer Cal Ripken Jr. Well, the box did say 4 exclusive printer proof parallels per box. Didn't say anything about them being numbered, so they're probably not in limited quantities. Maybe a little bit less than the base. There's Alek Manoah. And here's an insert card. Next Wave rookie card. And that is Ian Anderson. Okay. J.D. Martinez. And Mark McGwire. Whoop. Pardon me, Mark. Oh my goodness. Adolis Garcia. Now that looks like a burp, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like he's burping there? I'm sure a lot of you probably think, oh, he's just enthusiastically hollering at somebody, but to me, it looks like he's burping. We'll put that one aside. Pavin Smith rookie card. Joey Votto printer proof. So I guess that's our 4th one. And Corey Seager. That's our first blaster box. Now on to the second one. So I don't remember how much I paid for these, but I think they were 20 bucks. As you know, blaster boxes have gone up this year. They started off at 20, but now they're 25, and a lot of the Panini ones are over 30. And the price of everything is going up while we try to get our supply chains back in some sense of normalcy after the chaos we've lived with for the last 2 years. There's Hall of Famer Ernie Banks. And there's Jesse Winker. Masters of the Craft. And that is Steven Strasburg. And Mitch Haniger. Derek Jeter. Nice. He's having a good laugh. Andrew Benintendi. He's having a pretty good year this year. He's now with the Yankees. Printer proof of Aaron Nola. And Alex Kirilloff. Rookie card. Oh my goodness. Let's try it from the bottom. There we go. Ken Griffey Jr., Hall of Famer. Always like seeing his cards. Ha-Seong Kim, that's our silver foil parallel, I guess, rookie card. Akil Baddoo, printer proof. And Hyunjin Ryu. Oi, 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 oi. There we go. To let my fingernails grow longer so I can cut these. I thought they were long enough. Byron Buxton. There's a new wave, a rookie card of Alec Boehm. Okay. Joey Bart rookie card. And Jordan Alvarez. Oh my. Beep, beep. Maybe I should breathe on the wrappers and let my breath open them up. Andrew Vaughn rookie card. There's Bryce Harper. Daniel Lynch printer proof, also a rookie card. And Kohei Arihara, I hope I pronounced that right, rookie card. Alright, let's try it with this finger. Oh, jeez. There we go. Honk, honk. Brady Singer, rookie card. Nolan Arenado, clapping. Great, Bo Jackson on the silver foil parallel. Again, these are not numbered. And Austin Meadows. Last pack of the second one. Beep, beep. Honk, honk. Toot, toot. And Alec Boehm, rookie card. And there's a printer proof of Buster Posey, who recently retired. Mike Trout. And Juan Soto. So that was a nice pack to end the second box with. Oh my. Oh, let me stretch for a little bit. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Okay. As you can see, we have Cal Ripken with his 4 pillows. And Cal Ripken wearing earbuds, and these two are staples of the channel. I was so amused when I opened them up from some baseball cards from Holiday Inn, dating back to 2007. And today, Cal is listening to the Osric Tentacles. And I don't really know what kind of music Cal listens to, but, well, it's my channel, and we're going to pretend he's listening to that. Kevin Biggio. Brandon Lowe is our silver foil. Ryan McMahon. We've seen that one before. He's overjoyous with that throw. And Ryan Sandberg is a big happy camper there. Yeah, it's like a birthday cake came out into the field, and he's like, "Oh boy, birthday cake. Yum." All right. Here is Luis Patino, and I like it that they've got the I don't remember what that diacritic's called. It has a name, but I like it that they included that. I wish they'd make sure they did that for all the players' names. There's Nick Castellanos, printer proof. Joey Votto again. And he's kind of got this look on his face like, I don't know about this. I don't know. And Cal Ripken Jr. So I didn't really do any research on this one. I'm just going by what the box says is in it. So I don't know what kind of surprises could be in here. Kyle Lewis, he's looking very cheerful. Oh, cool. Hall of Famer Willie Mays. That's a nice photo of him. And here's a next wave card. Rookie card for Jared Kelenic. And J.D. Martinez. There's Brandon Woodruff. Luis Garcia printer proof. Another silver foil parallel. And this one is of Nolan Ryan. So that is nice. And Mark McGwire. Again, we have not come across any numbered cards. And I don't know. I don't know if there are any in this set. I have no idea. I didn't bother looking it up. And I've just ripped that one to shreds. We ought to have a look at the box again, and yeah, let's have a look at this. Here are the odds. So there is obviously more than what I've been finding. There is, the printer proof is 1 and 2. I guess those are rainbow foils that I've been calling silver foils. They're rainbow foils. That's 1 out of 3. And then it gets much harder after that. Green is 1 out of 85. Green pattern 1 out of 107. And then it goes all the way up to printing plate, which is 1 out of 2,636 packs. Okay. So now I know there's a little bit more in here. There's Yogi Berra with a baseball that looks like it's phasing in and out of space and time. Little Doctor Who going on there. Tyler Stevenson, printer proof. And here's Corey Seager. And Andres Jimenez, who's having a nice year this year. I think he's a player to keep your eye on. Cody Bellinger. Here's something different. Major League Baseball Originals. Kind of has a marbled border. And that is Juan Marichal. So this is an insert set. So that's pretty nice. Manny Machado. And Sixto Sanchez. And I haven't come across anyone with the name Sixto since Sixto Lezcano, who played in the late 70s and early 80s, mostly for the Brewers. So it's nice to see another Sixto out there. And I didn't really collect between the 90s and today, so who knows how many players have come along with that name. Darryl Strawberry, looking very happy. There's Carlos Correa, printer proof of Kevin Biggio. And the last card, Joey Gallo. And that's 2021 Topps Gallery. And my favorite card is Adolis Garcia letting out a large belch. I like the product. I think it's pretty cool. The odds of finding something interesting are pretty slim. After 3 blaster boxes, all we found were rainbow foil cards and printer proofs, which were 1 out of 2 and 1 out of 3, or let's see, the printer proofs were 1 out of 2 and the rainbow foils were 1 out of 3, and then everything after that, you'd have to have like I guess a hobby box of this in order to find some of those other ones, or quite a few more blaster boxes than I purchased. Anyway, I like the product. If I see it again on the shelf, I might get some. I don't know. Depends on what else is there. It'll be interesting to see what the 2022 set looks like when it comes out. I don't look ahead to find out when these come out. I'm usually relying on other YouTubers that bring it to my attention. I'd rather be surprised. I don't know. I'm not like one of the first to get something out. I usually open these things up long after everyone else has. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. If you find the content of interest and want to subscribe, I'd be happy to have you as a subscriber. Have a nice day, everyone. Beep, beep.